Hi, this is Miss Leisure. Well, we're going to get started today with flipping our class, and here we have an introduction into geometry. And these, we are specifically talking about undefined terms. There are three main undefined terms. Undefined? What does the word undefined mean? You guessed it. Yes, these are words that you cannot define. You can't define them. You have to use a description. And here we have a point. We have points, we have lines and planes that are undefined. And so a point might be like the point there at Hudson on the map. A line might be like the interstate I-45, I-495 there. And a plane is the map itself, the flat surface, piece of paper, the desk, a wall. Those are all planes. All right, so now let's move on and let's take some notes. I gave you your notes, blank notes today to take home, and I told you what page to put these on. Make sure you put the date on this page as well. Okay, remember you want to make sure the date's on there and the page on there. All right, so here we go. We're also, also, remember you're in control. You can fast forward this. You can rewind this. You can pause this. You are in control of this lesson. All right, so here we go. Point. A point is a dot, and we use a dot to draw it. It has 0 dimensions. Okay, it doesn't go anywhere. We use a capital letter. I picked the capital letter A. You could pick the capital letter P if you wanted to. I picked the capital letter A. Points are always written with a capital letter. And points have no thickness. Now granted, I know your pencil leaves some thickness, makes it a little thick. No, no, no. A point is just a point. No thickness. Line. A line is a collection of points that extends indefinitely in 2 directions. Whoa. That's not a line. What is that? Do y'all know? Very good. It is a segment. So to make this into a line, we have to put arrows on both ends. Good. Now, I'm going to add 2 points, A and point B. So now I can notate this line or write about it and write the capital letter A for point A and point B and put the line with the arrows over the top of it. So if I'm reading and I come across this picture here, this word right here, then I would know that that means line A, B. Okay? And I would read it. Line A, B. Any questions? All right, moving on. You may also have a little letter. You may also have a little letter such here. I put the little letter L. Okay? So if you come across the little letter L, like it is here, at the end of a line, that can also name a line. So little lowercase l, sometimes they use lowercase m's and k's and p's and all those little letters. A lot of them in the middle of the alphabet. And so they use a lowercase letter, and it also stands for a line. Questions? Oh, well, I'm not there. Write your question down and bring it in. All right. This line is one-dimensional. Goes to the left, goes to the right. Goes up, goes down. But it doesn't go left, right, up, and down all at one time. And again, it has no thickness. Okay? No thickness. May have width, but no thickness. All right. Plane. Plane is like a sheet of paper. A flat collection of points extending indefinitely in all directions. So here we're going to draw a horizontal plane. Now, to draw a horizontal plane, you draw 2 horizontal lines that are kind of staggered, not directly above each other, kind of staggered. And then you connect the endpoints. You've drawn a horizontal plane. Now, a horizontal plane, or a vertical plane, any plane, you can write about it with a capital letter. Okay, it's usually a cursive capital letter, but you know, capital letter. So like the capital letter N here is in the corner. And that we write the word plane in when we're writing about it. Okay, we don't just write in, we write plane in. Because just plain, if you just wrote plane in, that means a point. Nope, 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 nope. Got to write the word plane in front of it. Okay, now how about drawing a vertical plane? Well, in this case, you're going to draw two vertical bars that are staggered and connect the endpoints. Very good. Now, another way to name a plane. Let's say we have 3 or 4 points on this plane. It only takes 3 points on the plane to name that plane. So I can pick any of those 3 points, A, B, C, or D. So I could say plane A, B, C, or I could say plane A, C, D, or I could say plane B, C, D, or I could say plane A, C, B. You get the point, right? Okay, good. You only need 3 points, though. You don't need 4. You only need 3 points to name a plane. All right, moving on to the other page. Oh, not yet. Sorry. So a plane is two-dimensional. It goes forwards, it goes backwards, it goes left, it goes right all at the same time. Okay? Or if you're thinking about a wall, it goes up, it goes down, it goes to the right, it goes to the left, all at the same time. So that is two-dimensional. And then also a plane has no thickness. I know a wall does, but that's because it's a wall, and then it's got insulation, and then it's got this, and then it's got that, and you know, okay. But just that flat surface on top. All right, here we go. Now we're going to flip over to the other page. Now, on this page, we're not going to use the notation column at all. There's no notations for this, okay? So we're just going to do a description and a sketch. All right, space. Space is a collection of all points. Space is all around you, so I can't draw it, okay? It is three-dimensional. Forwards, backwards, left, right, up, down, all at the same time. Lots of movement there. All right. Collinear points. Collinear points are points in the same line. So as you can see here, I put the points B, point E, and point D all on the same line. These are collinear points. And remember, co means kind of like get together, you know, couple, that kind of stuff. Linear, you remember from Algebra 1, I'm hoping. Linear lines used to graph linear equations. Those were graphs that always came out with a, you guessed it, straight line. So collinear points meaning points in a straight line. Wow, y'all are smart. Okay, so no notations, and like I said, no notations for the rest of this page. Non-collinear, you guessed it, not. Points that are not in the same plane. So I have points B, point A, and point D. Yeah, bad. Okay. But anyway, you get the drift. Points B and D are collinear, but points B, A, and D are not. Good. Moving on. Coplanar. Couple, get together. Planar, plane. So maybe this means points on the same plane. You guessed it. Good job. All right, so here we have a plane. We have points M, A, and P. These are all 3 on the same plane. Therefore, they're coplanar. Moving on. Non-coplanar. Points not on the same plane. And I have P-O-T-Y. Okay, potty. P-O-T-T-Y. It just didn't work. But potty. P-O-T. Those 3 points are all coplanar. But when you throw in Y, P-O-T and Y, no. If you think of the vertical plane there, P-O-T, as being a mirror that you're looking into, Y would be something that's out, maybe behind you. It's not on the plane. It's not on the mirror. Okay? So, that's it. The end. Thank you for visiting the Leisure Math channel, and I will see you in school.